I'm Karthik. I'm a tennis player. I used to play for nationals because I'm an IT professional as well. And that's how, Bangalore is a city where two passions meet. And that's how this house, it all came together. We did have a budget in mind. So we just wanted to get everything in our requirement. And because DoUp is a subsidiary of Homelane and we believe that, we would get the same quality out of it. And that's why we went with DoUp and we were very happily met with our requirements. To our surprise, they even had those 3D designs ready and we could visualize it then and there, like how things would look. And because we were short on time as well, this thing was a feather in the cap, and that helped us a lot. And this house has become a reality with it. As you see, all the interiors, whatever we have, it's not like ultra luxury or anything. They're all simple, but the quality and the elegant what look it gives to the house, it's just like it's a calm nature and it's fine. Our project manager, Mr. Kevin, so he's also a fellow Tamilian, and we gel together. And because we stay away from Bangalore, they're the ones who come here and then take care of it and then finish it. So that is a very big thing what helped us in the DoUp process. Once you come home, you just want to relax. So once you want to relax and then unwind, right? So I just go spend time in the balcony. Then once you soak the fresh air and everything, I just come back, make some food for myself in the kitchen, which is so beautifully designed. If you look at the kitchen, it's more elegant and more calm nature, so that whenever you cook, you have that nature of, you can enjoy it with songs, etc. So kitchen, I would rate 5 on 5. The master bedroom has also been designed so well with the color of the sap green what they have introduced recently. That's also pretty well. And all our relatives and all our family members loved it. So that would go on a 4.5 or 5. Mom had all the designing thing and requirements, and they have met completely with everything what she wanted with the minimal space what was there. That is 5 on 5. Living area is also 5 on 5 because all the things from the entrance paneling, the fluted paneling, and then your TV unit, etc. Everything was met with the limited space what we have. Overall experience of DoUp out of 10, I would rate it 9.5. They did this house completely because we were not here. They took care of it and then from end to end. So we are really grateful for that. So finally, DoUp by Homelane, do it easy.